Bruce, I really would like you to comment on the last 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 bars. How would you describe in Wyckoff terms what has happened in the last 4 days with Russell?
Well, I believe that what we're getting is a jumping action. We've talked about the Russell for the last number of weeks, that it was in the bottom half of this big structure, and this is the value zone, lower half. And also we could see that there was a swing trading cause building March to late May. And then you get a turn off of that, and it comes on these really big wide bars on volume, which says to me that there's scarcity, there's absorption inside of the Russell that has taken place going back as really to May a year ago. And I believe what this means, Ramon, is that we're getting a rotation. We've talked about this in the past. We're going to start to see the institutions raising cash away from the big eight, that the institutions, they're wedded to these stocks. They absolutely have to own them. I've been going through the ownership of these high profile, well-performing, say, mutual funds as a proxy for institutional ownership. And they all just so over-own these stocks as weightings in their portfolios because they're weighted so heavily in the indexes. They've gone up the most in the quarter, and here we are emerging into the final 3 weeks of the quarter. This is where the fun begins for the quarter end effect. And I think what's happening is that these big institutions, they can't sell this stock, but they can reduce their holdings a little bit. Believe me, if they just reduce their holdings a few percentage points en masse across all of these different institutional investors, and then they have to redeploy that capital, where are they going to go? Well, they're going to go where the value is, and they're going to go to the Russell, they're going to go to the S&P mid caps, the S&P small caps, and so on. They're going to go to the industrials. If you go to the industrials and look at the market cap of these great senior companies that have been around forever with really good valuation, yield, etc., these stocks are teeny tiny compared to the near 3 trillion market cap of Apple and so on, 2.2 trillion market cap of Microsoft. And a little bit of money coming out of the NASDAQ 100 can make for a huge increase in value in the Russell 2000, just because these companies just are so small in comparison.